What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Obs Dwayne here. Not even gonna do an intro on this one. Just gonna show you what's up. Y'all know that I installed that stereo last time, this one. So if y'all got that stereo, it's just kind of like a quick tip. But this is how it goes hooked up, because I've been looking on the internet. I cannot find anything about this stereo, just a little here and there of people doing things and stuff. But yeah, I can't find anything on how to hook up the reverse camera. Or even the wires. So I'm gonna show y'all right here real quick. Okay, so everything out of the harness is color coded, so you just match everything. See, black with black, red with red, yellow yellow, purple, green. So the green, if y'all don't know anything about it, some of them have a stripe. Make sure you match it up with the other stripe. Solid with solid, stripe with stripe, solid with solid, all the way through. The only ones that you're not going to use in these old trucks, unless you got the features or whatever, or you know, these other ones right here, you got like a dimmer and all that crap. So you're not going to really use the two oranges and the brown. Everything else you use. So to connect your rear view camera, it comes like this. It comes with the little, with the video connection, and then which is black right here. It just plugs straight in right here in the back. I don't know if y'all can see it. It says camera in. So that's going to be your feed from the back into the stereo. And then you're going to connect the red wire that comes with it. You're going to connect it to the pink one, which is the parking sensor wire. Took me a while to figure it out, but yeah, so I got that right there, because I originally connected it to the dimmer and it was wrong. It would activate the dimmer, so it would dim the stereo. But yeah, so this red wire from the camera goes to the pink in the back right here. You see it? And I'll show y'all it working right now. But the way I did it, I wired this, I ran it through here. I just ran it in the bottom of here. Probably can't see it, but I ran it all the way back here. I got a light down here that I need to replace, but I put it above that and over it. And then I zip tied it to these somewhere in here. Yeah, I zip tied it to one of these. And then I ran it through here. Runs down through here. You can see it coming out right here. This one. I drilled a hole here. I'm gonna put some silicone there, just so it can be soft and it won't rub against the metal, you know, and eventually short out over time. I have not fixed it yet to where well, look, check it out. This is what I bought. Bought this right here so I can protect it, and I'm just gonna zip tie it along the way. So yeah, it runs through there. Right here, like I said, I still need to fix it up. But yes, yeah, I just ran it through there. I'm probably gonna zip tie it to that hole right there. Put it above here. Probably zip tie it to this side hole right here, not the bottom hole, because I don't know if something comes up and hits that. So I'm just gonna kind of zip tie it right there. And it's gonna keep going that way. Probably zip tie it to that right there, and then maybe zip tie it to there. It runs all the way to the bottom. I was gonna connect it originally here. You can see I still have the light out or whatever, but yeah, I went down here. Let me show you. All right, so we're under the truck. You got this wire that runs. Here's your license plate right here. Not this set of wiring, but the next set of wiring right here, straight above. It's kind of like right here, like where your spare tire insert is, whatever that thing is called for your rod or whatever. So she said. And then yeah, so you're just gonna take them out of this harness right here. This is the way I did. You don't have to do it this way. You can do it your own way. But so my black is the ground. What comes out of the actual camera is this, so you connect it to this video, and then you got this other one. You connect this black part to the red, and then this is just extra wire you see right here going up this way. So yeah, so I connected, so the way these are solid, I actually cut like right here in the middle, the black wire. I cut the black wire and then I put this on this side of the cut black wire. And then let me get on this side actually. I don't know if you can see it right there. And then I put the black wire that comes with this. It's actually like this, but I just peeled it apart. It's like this, but I peeled it apart. So you put your black wire with your, let me see if I can get further back. There you go. So you put your black with all the black together. You put all the black together, and then your green wire right here from your original harness, that's your reverse light. That activates your reverse light. When you put it in reverse, then this wire kicks in. So I put all the red with the green, with the light green, and that's it. And then you're just gonna tuck it in and tape it and do whatever. I'll show you after what it looks like. All nice. And that's it. You got power. Oh, let me get out of here. Got power. This is the camera that I'm using right here. It's not very good, but I mean, it'll do the job, I guess. At least they see behind. Because I just put some dark ass tint back here. I put 2%. So it's not the best job. Like really, really not the best job. So don't judge me. But it's pretty damn dark, bro. You know what I mean? Like, you can't, I'm gonna put my hand through here. You cannot see in there. Maybe see my shadow. But yeah, so that's how you do it. The pink with the red, like that. And the microphone is that little, this jack right here. I just put the microphone through here, and then I ran it through there real quick, and it's just gonna come up to the top right there. Right there's the microphone. I just put it on this side of that, right? Maybe I'll zip tie it or something just to make it a little more solid. But yeah, that's it. And you put everything back. I'm just gonna put some silicone here, and that's it. That's all I got. This is just 10 feet of the 3/8 wire conduit. See, it's just like plastic, you know, and I'll tape it up every now and then, so it's not just, you know, like an open thing. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll show you here in a little bit. All right, y'all, I got everything all nice and pretty, taped everything up. Got this back. It's just 1, 2, 3 screws. I ended up not siliconing it. The little holes, little plastic holes that I use, I just brought it up into the hole and it kind of sealed it off. So I just left it like that because I put a tape around it, so it sealed it off real good. I wish I could have showed you that, but I didn't. So I got everything back running. I mean, everything back, you know, tucked in. Here, there's just a couple of screws. I just pull the wire tight this way, and I just, you know, there's screws sticking up, whatever. So I put the wire behind the screws. Should be fine. Runs through there. Made a hole in there, goes down. See if y'all can see under here the holes that I use. There's the holes that I used where it comes out of. Right there, you see what I mean? Just kind of sealed it out by itself, zip tied it to that. Zip tied it to that. Around that. I don't know what that is. Nasty down here, right? Zip tied it all there. I put that wire inside this whole hose. See? Zip tied it around that right there. There, like I said. There. Shouldn't go nowhere. Zip tied around there. Took it around the corner. And then let me get down there again. Or actually, I could probably just kneel down and show you. So this is the way I have it right there. See, I put everything back. Everything back there. I zip tied it right here. You can see it. Yeah, I put everything back right there. I zip tied that. Oh, that right there, just so it won't be rubbing against. We'll be rubbing against this metal right here, so it's off of that. And I taped it there so the zip tie wouldn't cut through the wire. I mean, yeah, I taped it and then I zip tied it so it can have a little extra cushion. There you go. I put everything back. I tied it to each other, zip tied it, and taped it, and that's that. I just need to adjust this to where I need it to, and then put this little tool here in the bottom to tighten it up so it won't move like that no more. And that's it. Everything works. Let's go test it out. Now, like I said, it's not the best quality. I hate that voice. Turn it down. Like I said, it's not the best quality, but it'll work. So now whenever I shift it into reverse, it'll click on. Remember, it's not the best quality. I'll probably see if I can take off those lines. All right, y'all, it's way brighter now. Now you can see it's pretty decent. I had it in night mode. That's why it was dim. I was like, what the hell? Why is it so dim? So night mode is right here. See the sun? See how dim it gets? Click on it. It's going to go black. You just touch it and it'll be back to normal. Let me go back here. Here. Still figuring out how to work the damn thing. Like a Bluetooth music. There you go. Way better. Okay, now it's good. Also, if you like the way that this audio sounds, the first mic was kind of messed up. This one I think sounds a lot better. But yeah, if y'all want mics also like this one, I'll leave a link in the description for this if you want. Appreciate you subscribing. Hopefully this helps you. I don't know what I'm going to title it yet, but hopefully it catches your attention and you can be like, hey, you know, this is the video I'm looking for, you know, because there's a couple of videos that have this screen on the thumbnail, and someone put the screen in the thumbnail, and I come up with some kind of description so y'all can hopefully find this video and hopefully find it helpful so you know how to connect the camera on it. Appreciate it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you subscribe. Hopefully I earned your subscription, right? And I'll catch you on the next one. Obs Dwayne out. Peace.